This video explains product compositions, advantages, and use of air sealing and flashing tape. First, let us talk about product compositions. As a synthetic woven fabric composed of laminated polyethylene is used for the backing, it can be cut by hand like duct tape. For the adhesive layer, we used butyl adhesive. The point to note here is that release treatment is applied on the backing side, eliminating the need for release paper. As for advantages, because the adhesive tape can be cut by hand, there is no need for a cutter or dispenser, reducing the work time. As there is no release paper, no dust is produced on the site, making the product environmentally friendly. In addition, it is excellent airtight and waterproof. Next, let us demonstrate how to use air sealing and flashing tape. First, set the tape so that the joint is located at the center of the tape. Then, roll the tape back. This can be done with little force. The tape can be cut by hand. A horizontal joint is treated in the same way. You will notice that the vertical and horizontal tapes overlap. If the line underneath juts out, water could penetrate from overlapping areas. Please make sure that the line on top covers the line underneath as shown on the right. Finally, give the pressure using a pressure roller to make sure it adheres well to the sheathing. By pressing, adhesive becomes accustomed to the object and performs well. That's it. It does not require a cutter or a dispenser and does not produce dust on site. It is very workable and environmentally friendly. If you are interested in this product, please feel free to contact us for further information. Thank you for watching.